Happy Monday morning. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you with another video on digital marketing strategies for new business owners. And if this is your first time stopping by, click the bell notification button below so you can be alerted when the next video is coming about. If you are new to digital marketing or online marketing, or you are a small business owner that is looking to expand online, the first thing you should look into is buying a premium domain. And why do I say to buy a premium domain? Premium domains are easy to remember, have high volume traffic already coming to just the name, keywords alone, such as, because I did research for you, digital marketing for profit. It's a premium domain. It's around about $2,000. But the good thing about buying premium domains is that some companies let you finance them because these are keywords and key phrases and domain names that are in such high demand that if you were to get these domains and you were to just have them and drive a little bit of traffic, then you will get quality leads, people that are looking for your products, your services, or whatever it is that you have to offer. Number two, you must, if you are a blogger, an online marketer, or if you're an affiliate marketer, you must set up a blog with an RSS feed. And the reason for that is because blogs with RSS feeds will help you to grow quicker than anything. Reason being, RSS feeds help you to be able to distribute loads of content over multiple channels. See, this is something a lot of these so-called gurus aren't telling people, that they get loads of traffic not only through advertising and paid marketing, but through their RSS feed. That's why a lot of the people that you know or probably come across, they all use RSS feeds because an RSS feed is a great way for you to distribute content over multiple channels. The third strategy is to work with a small team. If anyone knows that all the big companies around everywhere use marketing teams, have a marketing team inside of their business to do research, to interact with customers, just to concentrate on marketing specific. If you're a new business owner, you can't do it all. You have to have a team to handle certain tasks to be able to, so you can focus on doing stuff that's going to make the business more profitable, so one day you could possibly run it, business can run without you. But you have to consider having a marketing team. Well, where do you find a marketing team? How do you go about hiring couple of good quality candidates for your marketing team? I will be doing that in the next videos, one of these next videos that's coming up. But the main three things that you need to consider if you are a new business is: number one, buying a premium domain. Number two, if you have a website or you're looking into buying a website, make sure your web developer, or if you're a freelancer out there, you know how to add an RSS feed to your blog. That way it connects. Excuse me. It's really late that I'm doing this, but it also allows you to connect all of your social media to all of your channels. So when you do publish content, it gets distributed throughout all of your social media and people can consume it. People can interact with your content and people can also like, share, or whatever. And pretty much that's all I got for you today. Just remember, look into buying premium domains if you can. And if you don't have all the money up front, you can always look to finance a premium domain. Number two, add an RSS feed to your website or blog because it can help you grow. It can help you reach more people, help more people to get to know and create brand awareness for whatever your brand is. And number three, hire a marketing team to do your marketing for you because you cannot go at this alone. Business is a team sport. And if you don't play as a team, you simply lose. And that goes for everybody, whether you're an affiliate marketer, whether you're a network marketer, whether you're a business trying to market your product, you got to go with this with a team mindset if you want to succeed, if you want to win, and if you, most importantly, for a lot of you out here that's new to my channel, you might be average everyday working people and you want to leave that 9 to 5. If you want to leave that 9 to 5, then click the bell notification below as I give you tips and strategies to help you work your business so that you can grow and possibly in the next 2 to 3 years leave your job behind. I'm not going to sit here on this channel and sell people dreams about in the next 45 days you can go from making 20,000 to 100,000 because it just does not work like that. I don't care who you are, where you at in this world. It is a huge jump for anyone to jump from making $15,000 to $100,000 without putting in the work. I know a lot of these people online make it seem so very easy and sold a lot of people on, hey, if you just spend $1,500 on my program, you can make $15,000 a month. It's not that simple. It's not that easy. Thanks for stopping by. If you like, share, subscribe, and have a nice morning.